we have to talk? Yeah, ma'am.
At least 15 minutes.
15 minutes.
Yes. Information, full of information should be there. So start, please.
Okay, ma'am.
How to start? How to give the...
Hey, hello, good morning.
Yeah.
Good evening to all of you. Hey, hello. Good evening to all of you, my dear friends. I hope you all are well by the grace of God. I'm currently and today I'm telling about a topic on book with you in the front of you. So let's get started. Book. One of the oldest forms of knowledge provides by book. They are also known as power of knowledge and information. Books provide us information without asking for anything in written, and often it is considered as the best company a human can have. Books are our ultimate helper in our school time or the time to gain some knowledge to achieve the success. Books it contributes to everyone's life in one or another way. The impact left on us by books can begin from uplifting or mood to make. The books are a medium through which writers can reach a large audience and readers can get a peek into the writer's thoughts. There are many kinds of books based on their size, packaging, genres. An individual can read any book to gain knowledge about that like particular field. Reading is an activity that is not bound for any particular age group, but it is suggested that children should be encouraged to read more books for it to later become a good practice for them. Book is made up of all the best things to humankind, and book.
About books, whatever you told, Karan, it was very nice. One thing is that you should mention one book name. That book, which book has changed your life, the way of your thinking, that is being changed by a book. You should name the book, any book. And one thing is that, and another thing is that, not only when you will be telling something, then you have to not to say about its merits only. You should point out some demerits of books also, so that people can aware that, because everything is there in every work, everything there will be some merits and demerits. Everything should be there. Yeah, but the way you have discussed everything, that is very nice, and also you have mentioned some names of the books, that is also good. But you didn't mention the name of such books that are really changing your life, the way you think. So if you would have mentioned these things, you have mentioned.
I told about 2 books, ma'am.
Yeah. That is also nice.
Yeah,
that's good. But demerits also. And one thing is that you should be aware of that. Okay. So how did it change your life? How did it change? Because some information should be there. That's why it should be done. But the way all over the things, top of that, you have done very great speech on books. That's very incredible. If I could give this thing to another person, I don't think that they could do the same you have done. Okay, so very good. Now, Shikha, your turn to say.
All of you. So here I am Shikha, and I hope you all guys are fit and really fine. So today my topic is on electricity. So I am starting my topic. So electricity is very essential resource for our life. Like it runs our daily life. Like life without electricity will be impossible. Just imagine, like if we don't get any electricity, then how we can live? We generate electricity by using coal and some natural gases, and people do not realize that the natural resources are limited, and we must conserve electricity so that we can conserve these resources. In other words, I'm feeling electricity is really very great for us because now our life is very smoothly going on because of the electricity, and we should save the power of electricity because many of the people are not saved the electricity.
Very nice. You have taken whole time, whole time for talking. The time I gave you, you have taken the time more than that. That means you enjoyed your speaking. That's the thing everybody should have. And after the word people, is will be not there. People is a pronoun, that means plural. So you have to say are, okay? People are like this. And one thing is that everything you have told, everything about these things. And something you should say that what are you doing for saving the electricity at home? Suppose you are switching off the fan when it is not in use, like that you are doing. Then when you are not at home, then when the room is light, that there is light in the room, and if the room is not in use, then you switch off the light, and that all the things you are doing for saving the electricity. That means people will know what you are doing for saving electricity, what you are doing you are giving message, but before giving message what you are doing, that one people will know, and after that people will follow you. Okay, so but information was really there was information about electricity. But one thing is that I will give you all of you this homework, that you collect some information about electricity, and you have to say it on Monday. Okay, all of you, its merits, demerits, how do you consume, and in your home how do you save it, what is your role to save the electricity. This is also a question. I am giving you the homework, you do it, and Monday we shall be talking about electricity only. Okay, very good, Shikha. You have enjoyed your time. Very good, nice you are. So,
hi everybody, myself Vinod Nagar, and today I will be the festivals of our religion, because we have lot of festivals, but some are very most fabulous and most important festivals like 26 January, Makar Sankranti, Holi, Mahashivratri, Janmashtami, Raksha Bandhan, Deepavali, 15 August, and Navratri. These are some special festivals of my religion. And
a bit louder.
Actually, why? Okay, ma'am. And what is the propagandas of these festivals? Like 26 January is the Happy Republic Day, and in this day, Indian constitutions come into on 26 January 1950. And Makar Sankranti propaganda is birds and dying. Like Holi propaganda is water pollution. Mahashivratri is save milk. Janmashtami is dahi handi. Raksha Bandhan is buy and Rakhi. Diwali is some sound pollution or air pollution. And Navratri it is the main festival of women, like women and safe. So these are some festivals, and now I will explain a little bit about all the festivals. Like first, I am telling about 26 January. 26 January. In this day, the Indian Constitution was formed 26 January 1950, and on the occasion of 26 January, the President of our India gave awards to some brave soldiers, to some brave people on the day. And on the occasion of the 26 January, every year a big parade was held in India at India Gate. So on the day of the Holi, everybody looks like colorful, different colors, and everybody wears new kurta pajama. Some people wear white, and almost people wear white kurta pajama.
Okay. Now you have to make us understand what is the festivals are giving us. What do we do? How do we feel? That means from festivals what we are getting in return. That is what are the roles of festivals? What they are giving? Why festivals are being celebrated? These things you have to, because if you are giving the details of all the festivals, that will not get an end. So you have to give a conclusion here, and you have to say that these are the things we are getting from celebrating the festivals. A positive mindset you have to create.
Or except.
Yeah.
One more except. Okay. Like Janmashtami we celebrate in the remembering of the Lord Krishna, and we can say that Janmashtami is on the occasion of Janmashtami we can take a fast for.
Good. I thought today you will not leave the session. All the festivals will come in your speech, I thought. Okay, that was nice. Very good. We got various informations about all the festivals, different festivals we celebrate in our country. That is very nice. And finishing was also very good. And today was your chance, all of yours. I have given you the chance to speak, and you have done it very well. Now, very good. That's the thing. You should have the space to talk. That's very needed. Okay, I have given you some homework. That one you do please, and Monday we shall be meeting again.